Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So to do that we should just open the Play Store application, and here on the search pull enter green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just click here to open the app. Tap to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then just tap to OK, again OK. After that, just go back and click to switch input method and switch here the keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now this process is finished, and after that let's just open the Google search to see the look of our new device keyboard. We can see this look of this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as they are all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.